Musumbe Dr. William Ruto yasya kana nukuikiithya kana athukumi ma Silikali Yake na mathukuma vailite kuvikiia malengo ala mekiitwe kunenga mweenenthi uthukumi wina wailu. Aineenea State usivindani ya maminista kwikia saii wiw'ano wa uthukumi. Musumbe Ruto yasya kana Silikali nikwanisya watho wayo na kuthukuma na kwailia ukwati wa nthi ya Kenya. Ben Mosao nukutwalesya.
Musumbe William Ruto niwe yava kuendeisa mutuo wa uthukumi wina kielelo ni kana kuikiithya uthukumi wa mweenenthi niweania kana na agenda ya Silikali Yake ayikithisya enenthi uthukumi wa kukilia andiki ukwati.
Our performance contract with citizens was formalized upon the inauguration of this administration in our commitment under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda for Kenya. This plan embodies our commitment to addressing critical priorities, including reducing the cost of living, managing inflation, taking all steps to create jobs, eradicate hunger, enhancing food production and productivity in general, and expanding the tax base. And I promise you, we will confound the naysayers. We will succeed. This country will not fail. This great nation that God has given us will succeed. The enemies of Kenya will be put to shame because we are going to succeed. And we are going to take this country forward.
Ruto yaweta Silikali ni kukwatilila utongo imusio wina demokrasia na uwo kwa Kenya onthe aimenda maminista kwikiithya nimathukuma enenthi nthini wa miviani.
In electing their government, the people express specific expectations and entrust us to deliver fully and also to deliver on time. I am committed to honoring that trust fully. And to do so, I rely on you to equally do your part as set out in your terms of appointment and as demanded by the Constitution. For a very long time, we have imported food in Kenya when we have the wherewithal, the capacity to produce enough food in our country. We've taken on that responsibility. And we are making strides. This year, by God's grace, in a very long time, we will not import some of the food products, including maize.
Honorable Alfred Nganga Mutua.
Oingi Ruto ni waende ya kuvikiia kwa athukumi nthini wa maofisi ma mweenenthi na ala meithana kikono nthini wa uthukumi wa mweenenthi aiweta makendeka kumia utalo kila mwiso wa mwaka wa Silikali.
At the end of the financial year, each cabinet secretary will receive a performance report card reflecting their ministry's achievements. These scorecards will ensure that performance contracting is not seen as a meaningless ritual. This scorecard will carry recognition, rewards, and sanctions which will be applied without fail. Excellence, integrity, efficiency, and consistency will be rewarded, while failure, negligence, waste, and misconduct will promptly invite corrective action.
It will be important that as we execute our mandates, we exercise extreme humility. We also exercise integrity, and we also acknowledge that the focus must be on performance and delivery as you have assigned us in our various portfolios.
Going forward, under your leadership, Your Excellency, we hope we'll be able to build greater harmony and coherence among the arms of government and the two levels of government, because all of us, from yourself and everybody else exercising authority in this country of whatever nature, does so on behalf of the people of Kenya.
Vilingi wa Mauvo Mtongo TV, Nyenita wa Ben Musau.